Hello everyone, welcome to Kath and Nigel's Adventures. Glad you could join us. Hello, Nigel and Kath's Adventures here. Glad you could join us. We're here today in a little village called Downham. It's in the Ribble Valley in Lancashire, right at the bottom of Pendle Hill, as you'll see in the video. We've got the dog with us today, Ollie. He's never been before. This is famous for the film Whistle Down the Wind, which was a 1961 film, and it had Hayley Mills, Alan Bates, and some other famous faces in it. And it was really based around three children who were brothers and sisters. They were called Kathy, Nan, and Charlie. And they thought they'd found Jesus in a barn, but it turned out to actually be a murderer on the run. And it's all about how the children of the village came together to try and help him. But in the end, they couldn't because the police found him. One of the famous lines in the film was by Charles, the little boy, who said, "It's not Jesus, it's just a fella." Hope you enjoy it.
You have to treat, are you? What do you do? Good boy.
We're now at the graveyard of the local church, which has got a beautiful view all over Downham and the surrounding hills of Pendle. Very nice. It looks like an old Norman type church, judging by the fact it hasn't got a spire. There's a dog bowl there with no water in it, Ollie. That's not much use, is it? Yeah, this war grave is 17th of November 1918. Private B.H. Lonsdale, age 19. How sad. We're now going to go inside St Leonard's Church in Downham. It's an active Anglican church, and the tower that you saw outside is 15th century, but the rest of the church was rebuilt in the early 1900s, and I think it was finished in 1910. The service is held every Sunday and Wednesday, and inside here you can see the plaque which is dedicated to the soldiers of the local area who died in the wars. Next to the gardens of the church you'll see outside belongs to the Asherton family, who own land in this area. This is now Ralph Baron Clitheroe and his wife Sylvia, a plaque to their memory. Beautiful stained glass window, common in lots of churches, and we're now going to proceed through this beautiful Gothic arch into the main church area. Plenty of seating areas, as you can see. Beautiful. Left St Leonard's Church, which is lovely, and we've just seen an interesting plaque here which looks like it's had ashes scattered, of R.W. Swarbrick, Bob, who was the head gardener of this estate, which is just to the left of us, and also his wife, who is called Kath. That's interesting. This is an amazing view of Pendle Hill in the mist, with all the trees before it and Downham in the distance. And there's actually a book by Robert Neal called Which Over Pendle, and there's somebody in it called Anne Nutter, who in the Mist Over Pendle book was actually talked about being hung for being a witch many years ago. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please press subscribe and like. That would really help us. We'll see you on the next one.